Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina Cam, whichever one you want to call me is fine. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber and I do hair, beauty, lifestyle, fashion and DIY on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair experiment. I don't even know how to start this, but basically I think last year or 2 years ago there was like this almost sudden rush. I think it should be last year, because last year we had the bone straight pandemic where everybody was just rushing to like get bone like silky straight hair. And then the bone straight pandemic came with the Steampod, which could maintain the bone straight or could turn your basic weave into bone straight. And then everybody started rushing for it. Like everyone was like, okay, I don't have 300k to spend on a wig, but it's my 150k wig. If I buy this machine, I will straighten it and it will become bone straight. So life balance, as people say. Please, as you're watching this video now, thumbs up and comment hi in the comment section. Hi. This is what it came in. First of all, the L'Oreal one is like 200k my money, which is like $400, $600. I don't know. I'm going to check the L'Oreal website. It's currently on now. I could have pretended, but I'm very lazy, so I'm not going to try and pretend. So this is what it looks like. It's from the brand Professional. Yeah, Professional. I think I have a couple of products from them. My first hot comb, or it's either my hot comb or my crimp. One of them is from this company. So it basically has like all the, let me read, steam.
A few moments later.
Yeah, when you open it up, it basically just comes in like something like this, and then this is what is inside there. So this is it. And wait, hold up. So okay, I think I'm almost out of water, but this is like where you put the water. This thing is like a dropper tool where you put the water inside. It comes in the case. I took it out as well because I was impatient, so I took it out. Full disclosure, I have used it 2 times already and I may or may not love it. Wait, I'm trying to put this thing back. Let's see. Okay, so you cannot see very well, but it has like, oh wait, if I turn it on, it's a light reflector. Okay, yes, but it has like all these different levels of heat, all different voltages that you can use, and then the warning, and then the high temp caution, and then the lights, and then blah 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 blah. Oh, the swivel cord. I actually love products that come like this, because a lot of time when you're babysitting and doing whatever, oh, I know what has this thing. It's my 6-in-1 set. A lot of times when you're babysitting and you're doing whatever, you don't want to have to always come back and untangle the cord. It is quite long because I'm sitting, I mean, like an arm's length away from the outlet, but see, it is long. There is, oh yeah, it just came off. And then another great thing is it has this, so you can easily travel with and not have to look for that adapter everywhere like a mad person. I'm already rambling. To test whether it is absolutely necessary or if people are just lying, I actually have my trusty hair straightener here, which, if I'm being honest, is great, but this is not actually my best hair straightener. This is what we're going to use, and the way that I use this hair straightener to get the best results is I cannot sprinkle a bit of water on the hair and then I straighten it so that now it has like its own kind of steam, you know, like, cause Steampod, this one, spray the water equals to steam. Like, you get the picture.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
All right.
Hey guys, so this is the hair that I'll be using for the experiment, and as you can see, it's this really bouncy curly kind of hair, and that's what I'll be using. Also, I'm going to try and straighten this wig. As you can see, it's in a really bad shape, so let's see how the vibe goes. Also, don't ask me what this color is supposed to be, because myself I'm confused, but I'll upload a video later if you want to see how I got here. So we're going to be using my trusty mannequin head for this exercise, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate that big bunch of hair, because obviously I cannot use all of it, so I'm going to use part of it, and then I'm going to take some pins and I'm going to pin it on my mannequin head as you are seeing me do. And it's actually simple. I'm using T-pins here so they can lay flat, but you can use whatever pins you have at home with you. I've done the first part. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other part, and these are the two sides we are going to be working on. So here I am for the first one. Like I said before, I sprinkled some water on it to like prep it for the whole process. So here I am just sprinkling water on it, and then I'm going to brush it. As you can see, the hair is quite curly because it's like just like curling up as I'm doing it, and I'm basically just combing the hair, nothing serious. And then I'm going to go in with my straighteners, and because I wanted to make this video really short, I'm just going to do the two side by side. But as you can see, it's basically the same thing. I am just straightening the first one, go down again the second one, and as you can instantly see that this, like, one of them still holds its curl while the other one doesn't curl as much on the bottom, even though the curl has now reversed. The other one just bent as if it's a bump. And then I'm going to go through to the second other piece of hair that is still on that bundle, and then I'm just going to go back and forth, and then we have our results. So this is what it looks like. This is what the two sides look like. As you can see, one is giving I'm very silky straight vibes, while the other one is just straight. I'm going to go in again with my hair straightener, and then I'm going to straighten it a couple of more times so that you can actually see that when you use your basic straightener, you have to straighten like 5 or 6 times, and it's still not even going to come close to when you straighten it with this other one. So as you can see, this is the difference. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and try with the hair. So this is the hair I showed you before, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to straighten it, like that small part. I'm going to straighten it first of all with this normal straightener, and then I didn't use water yet so that we can see how it looks like without water. So that's the vibe that it's giving us right now. And then I'm going to use the I'm combing it, sorry, my bad. So I'm going to use the Steampod now on the other side, and I'm just going to start straightening it. So I use, like, that's 1 time, this is 2 time, and you can see it's not very different, but one is more bouncy and silkier than the other one. So you've come to the end of the video. Please do well to subscribe. Please leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.